I'm Janet. Try it like it, create it. And I just got in a package from Pointer. And I'm looking forward to seeing them at Creativation, which is a trade show put on by NAMTA. It's a professional organization, and so you need to be part of the trade to be accepted to attend. But I want to show you what they sent me. Now, they specialize in fine art and children's craft items. And so the first thing I got is this Art Pro special effects brushes. And so you can see here there's a variety of sizes, but if you look closely, look at the heads on these. And so they are for making special marks and effects with paint. So I can't wait to try those. So I know like this is like a fish tail, and then this one, I'm not sure what the name is. Does it say what the names are on these? It doesn't, but this gives you a better look at the styles that are included in the package. So there seems to be 3 different styles, and I look forward to trying them out and seeing how those work. Then from the children's section, I got a package of cardstock, and I was wondering, it says it's 65 pound, and there are 10 bright colors, so there's 100 sheets in here, and they're 8.5 by 11. So if they are true cardstock and not construction paper, then this would be a great deal. And you can see here that there's a black. Black is always nice to have. So let's open this up and just take a peek. I'm sorry for the crinkling. But yeah, this is cardstock. So what a great find. So there we have it. 65 pound cardstock, and I don't know, yeah, it looks to be colored all the way through, so there is no white core. It is a solid color cardstock. So that's a nice find, and I think the price was reasonable on this. But I will put links to their products in the description of my video. So 10 bright color sheets, and you can see here we've got pink, orange, red, yellow, purple, blue, light green, dark green, and black. So that is, if you can see there, that's the variety in that package. Very nice. Then they sent me this Art Pro 9x12 200 pound mixed media pad with 30 detachable sheets. So let's just once again open this up, and I apologize for the crinkling, but I wanted to unbox everything with you so that you could see what came in my package. So, interesting little hang tag thing is attached even after I took the packaging off. And so here is the mixed media. It is a smooth surface. It looks like it has a little pattern to it, or maybe a very subtle texture to it, but it does feel rather smooth, which is nice for mixed media. And you can see the thickness here of the sheets and how many there are here. So I doubt we'll see any kind of bleed through on this pad. It works with acrylic, tempera, and watercolor. 200 pound, if I didn't say already, or 300 GSM if you're not familiar with paperweight by pounds. So that will be nice to test out. Another pack of paper I got was this adhesive photo paper, and it's 20 sheets, 8.5 by 11. So this will go through, I believe this will go through my inkjet printer, although it doesn't say here. It's photo quality and 135 grams per m squared. I'm not sure what this measurement is here, sorry. 20 sheets. Let's flip it over and see. Yes, it says here. Okay, so it's just a different packaging on the back, I believe. So 20 sheets of adhesive photo paper, 8.5 by 11. It's a glossy finish, waterproof, quick drying, and it does work in inkjet printers. So it would be nice to give this a try as well, since I do make stickers. That will be nice. Then they sent this silicone glue, which I'm looking forward to trying out. It says it's extra strong. It is clear. This is a 3-ounce bottle, and I'm not sure what the difference between having a silicone glue or a white glue would be. So I really wanted to give it a try and see how that works. It says it's ideal for sticking cardboard, fabric, foamy, felt, plastic in any school crafting project. Make sure that the surfaces are dry, grease, and dust free. And it says close the lid after use. Well, we all know that because we can definitely glue our bottles shut easily. Its composition is polymer, solvent, adhesive, vinyl acetate, and various additives, and hydrocarbon mixture. So there we go. Yeah, interesting. I want to try it out, see how it holds up compared to other glues. And then finally, I got this box, and what's included in here is a little swag coffee cup. And it says, get inspired and create. So I will, and this is Pointer again, I will link to their website down below, and so that you can see what might interest you from Pointer.